Uh, so everyone, today we'll start with the verbiage. Are you able to see? Having problem little bit. Okay. So all of you, we will do with the verbiage. Okay. Today you'll get the feedback also about the projects that you have submitted. Everyone has done an excellent job. Okay. I'm really happy to see all of you. Okay. Everyone's feedback I'll be giving you in written and I'll mail it to you. All right. The things you have to work on and all the appreciations, everything. Okay. So today's class we will start with mm, the this thing first. Verbiage. Okay, Aishwarya. Yesterday we have already practiced, but I want you all to be more pro. That is why I want all you all to practice once again. In the first half, let's practice the verbiage once again, and in the second half, let's start with the this thing, the notes. All right. So Aishwarya, kindly switch on the videos,
Yes,
all of
ma'am.
you. Aishwarya, can you tell me frame a verbiage with the word non-vegetarian meal?
May I serve you a non-vegetarian, ma'am?
Excellent, Aishwarya. Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
seat, seat.
Seat. How may I help you, ma'am, with your seat?
All right, Anjali, very good answer. Excellent answer you have given it to me. Ashwin, can you please tell? Ashwin, you there? Ashwin is never there, no, in the meeting. He just joins for the sake of it, I guess. Ashwin? Okay, Ashwin is not there. Avishna, can you please frame a sentence with the word seat? Verbiage, I mean. It should be a verbiage, okay?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
I don't know, ma'am. Ma'am, I was absent at class and I just written it.
Yesterday also you were absent.
No, ma'am. But I have a technical issue. Automatically cut on in between the class.
So yesterday were you absent or yesterday were you present?
I'm present, ma'am.
So yesterday I was speaking about verbiage, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So you tell me, about verbiage. Uh, Avishna, this is disappointing. You should learn, no? I mean, yesterday session I didn't say anything because you said that you were not present in the classes where I taught about verbiage. So yesterday, while practicing, I told you to observe. I told you to learn how like verbiage is. I taught along with that. I made you practice all of you. Avishna, this is disappointing. You're giving me this kind of answer. Were you not listening to the class yesterday?
Miss, I have a
You were
technical issue. It's automatically cut in between the class.
So you were present, right, at the time when I asked you all, or
Yes,
when I
ma'am.
taught you about verbiage. So what were you doing at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
So what were you doing at that time?
Ma'am, I have a technical issue on the time. It's automatically cut on in between the class.
I know, but it's total 1 hour that I taught verbiage. One full hour from 3 to 4 I was teaching about verbiage. Full hour you had network issues. I saw your name, no?
No, ma'am. Sometimes.
So you were late, right?
Yes,
Can't
ma'am.
give me such simple, silly excuses. Please, I don't want to hear such silly excuses. This is very important. Verbiage, I told you, you have to communicate with the passengers. If you want to become a cabin crew, you have to communicate with the passengers with the help of verbiage. Very important verbiage, right? You cannot just talk formally with them. Every time you say one word also you have to think before you say, because you cannot say them casually. You cannot say, talk to them very, like you talk to your friend or any other people you meet in the road. Okay, you have to be very particular. You have to mind every single word. You should be proactive and practice those words daily so that whenever you are talking, you are familiarized with how you should talk. All right, it is why I am conducting this verbiage class. How will you communicate if you don't know the verbiages? Huh? Avishna, I'm giving you like three people answer now. After that, I'll ask you again. You have to answer me. All right?
Okay.
Okay. Next person, Divya. Can you tell me a verbiage with the word seat?
Hello?
Yes, 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 Divya. You're audible.
Ma'am, actually, even I was not there when verbiage classes took places.
Yeah, you were absent yesterday. Those two class also you were absent. I saw it. Please learn
I
today. Today we will.
no, yesterday I was there till when you were explaining about motivation and personality. Till that,
Yeah, Divya, I request you
problem
not
is
to
I
leave
have
this
MacBook now.
between.
No, ma'am, the problem is I have MacBook in which this Google Meet doesn't operate properly. I have complained about this many times. Hello.
Sorry, sorry. Yeah, yeah, Divya, tell me.
Actually, ma'am, I'm saying I have a MacBook now. So in this Google Meet doesn't operate properly. It gets disconnected sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't even get connected. I don't know what the problem is. Even I
Okay.
told Rubia ma'am she did this AnyDesk wala thing. I don't know what she did. But this is the thing. I don't know. कभी भी अपने आप disconnect हो जाता है in between.
All right, Divya. No problem about that. Okay, since I saw you were not present even when I was teaching verbiage in the two classes, and yesterday from 3 to 4 you were not there. But also, Divya, try to be present in the class. Okay, irrespective of with the problem, whatever it is, try to use your mother's phone or your dad's phone or any other device
Actually,
that
we
you have.
all have iPhones and MacBook only. That's the problem. We don't have Android thing at our place.
Okay, what about, okay, all right. Okay. So, okay, ask Rubia ma'am only to fix this. She will be
Ma'am,
the
she only fixed
concern.
this with the help of AnyDesk. Then only I'm able to even connect to the classes. Otherwise, जब Deepali ma'am was taking classes, I was not able to get connected also.
Okay, tell her once again what issues you're facing right now. Okay,
Okay.
you're getting connected and getting not connected, all those issues. But
Okay.
Divya, try to not leave the meeting in between. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And yeah, and also I'm seeing people from 20 it became 16 now. I don't know who has left the meeting in between.
There are 20
Whoever so
right now also.
yeah, actually there are more than 20 people.
Okay.
Mhm. So leave about that. So what I was telling is that now we will learn about. I will practice. I will make the other people practice about verbiage. Please concentrate, Divya, and
Yes.
if you concentrate, you'll be able to learn it. All right. I'll ask
Okay,
you later. Okay.
okay,
Now
ma'am.
you can observe and learn.
Okay, ma'am.
Next person, Janvi. Janvi,
Please have,
Janvi,
ma'am.
Janvi, yeah, Janvi, can you please tell me about the verbiage with the word seat?
Okay. Please have your seat, ma'am.
Okay, Janvi, yeah, you can tell that also, but you can. Okay, so I want you all to answer it. I don't want myself to be answering. Next person is Javier. George, Miss George,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me a sentence? I mean, a verbiage with the word seat?
Seat. I'll help you, ma'am, to find your seat.
Okay, that is very good, Javier, but still I'm not satisfied. I'll ask Kuldeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Kuldeep, can you uh,
Hello.
tell me? Yeah,
Yes,
Kuldeep,
ma'am.
can you please frame a sentence with the word seat only?
Seat, ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir, ma'am. Your seat is sorry. Excuse me, sir or ma'am. Your seat is comfortable.
No, that is not. Okay, listen, people, you can tell, uh, hello, ma'am. Shall I assist you to your seat? May I assist you to your seat? Okay, and do you need any other assistance? Do you need any assistance in finding your seat. I may help you with that. You can say this kind of sentence, okay? May I assist you? May I request you to take your seat? May I request, please have your seat. You cannot say like that. May I request you to have your seat, ma'am? Alright, you can always add these kind of things while you tell something to the passenger, because if you say directly, he will feel offended. So always use may I request you to. Okay, if you are telling him to move inside, suppose he is waiting in the aisle, a passenger. So how will you tell that? So may I request you to take your seat? So may I request you to please sit down? Alright, now understood how you should say, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is what I was looking for answer, but I did not get, so I told it. Sahiti,
Yes, ma'am.
Sahiti,
Yes, ma'am.
can you, yeah, Sahiti, can you frame a verbiage with the word meal?
May I assist you the meals for the lunch?
Mm, no, Sahiti, that is not a perfect one. Okay, Celsia,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please frame a same verbiage with the word meal?
Yes, ma'am. What kind of meal would you like to have, ma'am?
Okay. Okay, so Sarisha, you can always say, okay, so other person. Umra? Umra?
Yes, ma'am.
Veena?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me a verbiage with the word meal? Okay, Umra.
Ma'am, can I
Not a
try?
problem. Yeah, Divya, please try.
Excuse me, ma'am, did you enjoy your meal? Something like that.
Yeah, you can say like that. Ma'am, you can say, ma'am, I would like to know if you enjoyed your meal. Okay, you can say like that. Did you enjoy your meal, ma'am? Yeah, that is very correct. Divya, thanks for taking initiative and trying. Okay, very good. Next person is Veena. Veena?
Yes, ma'am.
Veena, can you tell me a verbiage with the word, uh, with the word, 1 second. Any other word I have to, aisle.
Ma'am, sorry for the inconvenience, but the baggage in the aisle is not permitted. We are really sorry for the situation, but I would like to help you to uh, store the bag in the overhead bin.
Okay, Veena, well explained. Very good. You explained that passenger very nicely. Okay, you told like you explained him very calmly, very nicely. You added all the things which is required in a verbiage. Very good, Veena. Keep it up. Okay. Mm, Vishnav, 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 can you tell me a verbiage with the word mm, boarding card?
Boarding card.
Hmm.
Boarding card. May I see your boarding card?
No, absolutely wrong. Mm, Aishwarya, you tell me. Boarding card. Aishwarya Nagraj,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell me the sentence with the word boarding card.
May I take a look at the seat number from your boarding pass?
Sorry?
May I take a look at the seat number from your boarding pass?
Sorry, can you please say once again?
May I take a look at the seat number from your boarding pass, please?
It is partially correct, Aishwarya. Okay, so the next person, would you like to try Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
May I have a look at your boarding card, ma'am?
Very correct. Absolutely correct. So proud of you, Anjali. You are improving a lot. Very good.
Thank you.
Anjali, you have like won my heart today. Very nice. Aishwarya, did you know? Did you notice now where the fault was? Have you
Yes,
noticed the
ma'am.
fault where it was?
Yes, ma'am, I noticed.
So how will you tell now with a verbiage with word boarding card? How will you?
May I have a look at your boarding card, please?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, you can tell like that, Aishwarya. So other person is Ashwin. Ashwin, please respond. Otherwise, I have to,
Yes, ma'am.
report. Okay, Ashwin. First time I heard you. Why don't you respond every time? What's
Ma'am, I am not hearing anything. Sometimes only I am hearing.
so you have
Yesterday
to
also.
rectify it as soon as possible. No? If you have such issues, you should let me know, or else you can tell Rubia ma'am. Okay, but don't be in the class without responding. Okay, because it is of no use, right? If you will not respond, if I cannot communicate with you, how will I know you are progressing or not? How will I know you are learning or not? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwin? Please respond. Okay. So can you tell me a verbiage with the word?
Yes, ma'am.
Avishna,
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, ma'am.
Avishna, can you please frame a verbiage with the word baggage?
May I assist place bag in over treatments, ma'am?
Okay, Avishna, partially correct, but at least you tried. Very good, very good. Divya, do you want to try a verbiage with the this thing baggage?
Ma'am, may I try?
Yeah, sure.
Would you like a baggage trolley, sir?
No. Yeah, that is also correct. That is also correct. Would you like to use the baggage trolley, sir? Would you like? Oh, yeah, you can say that. That is correct. One more sentence which Gavin could always use.
Ma'am,
Gavin,
can I tell the sentence?
yes.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. This is an emergency exit. May I place the baggage?
Okay, that is also very correct. That is correct, Sahiti. Very good.
Ma'am,
Sahiti,
I
you
have
speak
a
your
doubt.
name over. You can say, ma'am, there is an emergency exit next to you. So, for safety reasons, may I please place your baggage in the overhead bin? You can say like that. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Salshia,
Ma'am, I want to ask one thing.
tell.
Ma'am, like
Ask.
Anjali said one sentence that may I have a look at your boarding pass? So
Hmm.
can we use can, like we can use replace may with can? Like
No,
can
no, never. No, can is very formal. Can is like, you use it with your friends, you use it with, like, no, it's not a word which we use in hospitality. You can use in other words, like, you can talk to your professor, you can talk to other people, but
let's
not in
say if
aviation.
someday we said can, then what? Because it's a
See, you have to practice and try to avoid can, because can is not something, which is correct in terms of verbiage, in terms of requesting someone, in terms of talking to someone professionally. This is not the thing.
Ma'am,
Yes,
the word may can be replaced with shall, right?
yeah, always me. You say may I, okay? Shall I? May I? All these are correct. But can I? That is very informal. So can I? You cannot. Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Janvi, can you tell me a verbiage with the word safety instruction card?
Sorry, ma'am. Again, can you repeat?
Can you ask? Can you can you please frame a sentence with the word safety instruction card?
Okay. In case of emergency, you can have a look in this instruction card which is kept in front of you.
Oh, very good, Janvi. Can you please tell once again, because I heard half and half was not clear.
Okay. In the case of emergency, you can refer to the instruction card kept in front of your seat.
Okay. So that also you can tell, but don't say in case of an emergency. Okay, you just tell him. So for more information, you can have a look at the safety instruction card which is kept in the seat pocket in front of you. You can say like that. All right. For more
Okay, ma'am.
information instead of using for emergency. Xavier, would you like to have a glass of water?
Yeah, okay, class.
Would you wish to have a glass of water? Would you like to have a glass of water? May I serve you a glass of water? Okay, these are the correct words. May I serve you a glass of water? May I serve you some basic serviettes? May I serve you a tea? Serve you a coffee? Okay, you can say like that. So whenever you are, suppose you are the person. Okay, so these all things are service training. So I'll give you later on, not this now. If you want, I'll give you such training. Just now, just remember, water is a basic thing which you all need to serve someday to the passengers. So you can ask like, may I serve a glass of water? May I offer you a glass of water? Okay, to have a glass of water. Words, all these verbiages you can use. Okay, everyone, understood?
Okay.
So other one is Nimisha Murukan. Nimisha Murukan. Yes, please. Yeah.
It was pleasure having you boarding with us.
Exactly what I wanted. You said that answer, Janvi. Very good. I was just expecting that sentence from any one of you, and Janvi, you answered. Very nice. Okay, it's a pleasure to have you on board with us. You can always say that. Okay, when a passenger, when he is disembarking from the flight, when he is, going, when he is after landing, when he is getting down from the aircraft, you can thank him. It's a pleasure to have you on board with us today. So thank you so much for traveling with us. You can add this sentence while thanking him. All right. Next person is Janvi is already done, and next one is Salshia. Yeah, Salshia. Salshia came with paper serviette. Paper serviette. Okay, just tell me other easy one I'll give you. Overhead bin.
Yeah, if ma'am, if you have a luggage, you can place it in the overhead bin.
Sorry?
If you have any handbag, then you can place it overhead in the overhead bin.
Okay.
Indeed.
Actually, the sentence is not clear to me, Salshia. Can you repeat once more?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible to me.
Yes. So I said, ma'am, if you have a handbag, then you can place it in the overhead bin.
It's not audible. It's not audible, Salshia. Do one thing, you do logging out and logging in again. Can you please answer me with the word overhead bin?
Overhead bin. Ma'am, can I try with paper serviette?
Huh?
Overhead bin. Overhead bin,
Sorry?
right, ma'am? It's overhead bin, na?
It's not audible.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
No, Veena. Wait, I'll only log in and log out again.
Hello?
Okay, so it was Celsia that I was asking about, no?
No, ma'am, it's me, Veena.
Hmm?
It's me, Veena, ma'am. Overhead bin.
Yeah. Tell me, Veena.
May I please request you to place your baggage in the overhead bin, or ma'am, you also can place it in front of your seat.
Wait.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, tell me.
May I please request you to place your baggage in the overhead bin, ma'am, or you may also can place it in front of your seat.
Okay, in the seat in front of you. All right, Veena, very correct answer you have given it to me. Next one is, okay, so I'll give you one more answer whenever you are serving some special guest, like who are corporate passengers or who has chosen a specific. There are different seats on board. We have specific seats in SpiceJet. You have a Spice Max seat, which is extra legroom space. Okay, which has more benefits when a passenger buy the ticket. So special introduction verbiages are there for this airline. For AirAsia, they have hot seats. Similar, they will get extra things when they book those seats. For Indigo also there is a specific seat. Even in Go Air, they have seats like that which is extra legroom space. The price of those seats are a little expensive than the usual one because it has extra legroom space. Also, there will be complimentary meals or sometimes priority check-in, priority baggage. All those things will be there. Okay. So when these passengers enters on board, how will you make them feel special, like how with the verbiage? How will you make them feel that they are not the regular passengers as they have not booked the regular seats. They have a different seat in the airline, so they are
പിന്നെ ഫോൺ അടിക്കല്ലേ അത് പോയിട്ട് വന്നിട്ട് വാ.
anyone want to, please Ashwin, please mute yourself. Ashwin, please mute yourself. Okay, so how will you make these type of passengers feel special? Anyone wants to give a try? How will you communicate with these passengers? I'm audible to all of
This is
yeah,
VIP passengers, ma'am. VIP, VIP.
yeah, whoever. Yeah.
Passengers, ma'am.
Can you give a try?
I'll try, ma'am. I don't know if I'm right or wrong.
Yeah, tell.
Hello, sir. We heartily welcome you. You are our VIP passenger. Please, may I assist you towards your seat?
Okay, very good. Okay, good try, Divya. Very nice try you have given it to me. Very close to the verbiage of special guest, Divya. Okay. So anyone else want to give a try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please do. Who is that? Another person?
Welcome to our. Sorry. It's a pleasure to have you on board, sir. Welcome, and please let me assist you to your seat.
Okay, very good. You can say like, hello sir. Hello sir, good morning. I'm Tanvi. I'll be assisting you today. Thank you for being a special guest today with us and traveling with us on board. If there is any assistance required throughout the course of the flight, you can let me know by pressing this call bell. You can say this kind of a verbiage. Okay, everyone? All of you, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so sorry, there is a little of network issue, that is right.
Okay, ma'am.
So you will introduce yourself like, hello sir, welcome on board. I'm Tanvi and I'll be assisting you today. Thank you for choosing the spacious seat. Okay, it's a pleasure to have you with us today. If you need any assistance, please press this call bell and let us know, or we'll be happy to help you. You can say like that. Okay, so understood? Everyone remember what you
Yes.
have to say? Okay, who is that? Who is telling yes, yes? Okay, Aishwarya, can you please tell me now how you will address yourself to a special guest? Aishwarya,
Hello, ma'am.
can you please tell me how you will address yourself to a special guest? Can you give it a try?
Okay, ma'am, I'll try.
Just now I taught you.
I'm Aishwarya. I'll be your.
Yes, Aishwarya, tell me. Aishwarya?
Hello.
Yeah, Aishwarya, tell me.
Hi, sir. I'm Aishwarya. Welcome on board. It's a pleasure to have you here. In case of any inconvenience, you can. I'll be pleased to help you with anything.
Mm-hmm. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Welcome on board. Hello, sir. Welcome on board. I'm Aishwarya and I'll be assisting you today. Thank you for booking the special seat. Okay, whatever seat in different airlines they have special seats. Okay, in Spicer they have Spice Max. In Go Air they have something Go seat. Okay, Indigo also they have a special seat name. In AirAsia they have hot seats available. Okay, different names will be there for specific seats. Okay, when passengers book this seats, know what happens? They are able to get different types of service like priority boarding, extra legroom space seat, of meal complimentary, all these things. Okay, so whenever people book this kind of seats, you have to always address themselves. Okay, so that they will feel special and they will be encouraged to book more tickets. Okay, more special tickets. Okay, in future. So how will you interact with them? First thing first, you will always go to them and you'll always welcome. Hello, sir, welcome on board. I'm Tansy and I'll be assisting you today. Thank you for booking. Thank you for being a special seat passenger. Okay, this is your seat number. You may have a seat here. If you need any assistance during the course of the flight, you can always contact us by pressing this call bell. Okay, you can say this thing in short. All right. Veena, I guess Veena can give a good try. Veena, can you give a try?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, sir. Welcome on board. I'm Veena Krishna. Thank you for traveling with us today and choosing this special seat. If you want any assistance, please press the button. We would be at your service always. We would looking forward to assist you with your travel today. Have a nice flight, sir.
So good, Veena. Okay, Celsia.
Yes, ma'am.
Celsia, would you like to give a try?
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, sir. My name is Salisha De Silva, and thank you for traveling with us. It is a pleasure to have you on board with us. If you want any assistance, you can always call me. Thank you.
Anything else? Okay.
Ma'am, can I try with a different sentence?
Yeah, right.
Hello, sir. It's pleasure to have you as our special guest. We are thankful. We thank you for using our special facilities. Please, may I assist you towards your seat?
Yeah, that also you can tell Divya. Good. Good, everyone. Okay, so anyone else want to give a try?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, sure.
Hello, ma'am. Namaste. A very warm welcome on board. I'm Sahiti. Thank you for choosing a special seat. This is your seat. If you are having any assistance, please press the calling button. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Sariti, good try, but you have to add some more few verbiages, few more sentences. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next person is.
Ma'am,
Yeah, right.
hello, ma'am. Welcome on board. I am Helen Maria. Thank you to fly with us. May I assist your seat?
No. Veena will correct you. Veena, can you correct Miss George?
Yes, ma'am. Can you please repeat once again?
Hello, ma'am. Welcome on board. I am Helen Maria. Thank you to fly with us. May I assist your seat?
Thank you for traveling with us today and choosing this special seat. And if you want any assistance, please press the button. We would be at your service always. You have to add more verbiages.
And Miss George, you can always use traveling with us after landing. Okay, before landing, you cannot use this word because he has not traveled with us yet. He has chosen to travel with us. So you can also thank you for choosing to travel with us. Okay, not traveling with us. Alright, George?
Okay.
Understood the difference? Because he has not traveled with us yet. He has just booked the ticket and is entering inside the aircraft. He is yet to travel with us. He has yet to get the experience with flying experience with us. So you can always tell, thank you for choosing Asia. Thank you for choosing SpiceJet. Thank you for choosing to fly with us. Okay? Doing the work of others and making impact upon your work can be tendency to help others with theirs. Mute yourself whoever has unmuted yourself. Now, the speed of an open and harmonious work environment, it's obviously desirable that you should be willing to help out. But check your work clock and decide how much time you spend on your own work and how much time you spend on others. For instance, if you spend the morning checking the grammar and spelling in the training material related to your last project, then that is a waste. Publication should do the proofreading, that is their job. They are better at it than you. Then you should deal at the technical level. 8 success secrets from motivational experts. The views on success of many of the nation's top motivational speakers and authors can be summarized into 8 success secrets. These ideas were taken from interviews with 15 of the nation's top motivational speakers and authors, including motivational speaker Brian Tracy, authors Les Brown and Dr. Wayne Dyer, sales motivator Mike Ferry, seminar leader Patricia Fripp, and Chicken Soup authors Jack Canfield and Mark Victor Hansen. This is an effort to study how successful people think and uncover what drives them. If you truly understand their belief systems, level of commitment and positive attitude towards life and integrate this way of thinking into your own belief system, you should be able to succeed at anything you put your mind to. These 8 secrets are: take 100% responsibility of your life. Live your life on purpose. Be willing to pay the price of your dreams. Stay focused. Be an expert in your own field. Set out a plan for achieving your goals. Never give up. Don't delay. Okay, these are the things, 8 secrets from motivational speakers. Alright, so if you truly understand their belief, level of commitment and positive attitude towards life, and integrate these ways of thinking in your own belief system, you should be able to succeed at any time, at anything, okay, and with the help of these 8 secrets. Okay, people? Am I audible to you, all of you? Or am I simply speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can take a note of these 8 secrets. It's very helpful for you in your daily life also. Next is, take 100% responsibility for your life. In a society where people blame everything from their parents to the government for their failure to get ahead in life, these men and women refuse to buy into the mentality that says, I could succeed if only it weren't for. They realize that when you say someone or something outside of yourself is preventing you from succeeding, you are giving your power to that someone or something. You are saying, you have more control over my life than I do. Successful people don't buy into this victim thinking. Rather, their personal credo is, if it's to be, it's up to me. Example of Les Brown. Consider Les Brown, abandoned by his parents at birth and labeled educable, mentally retarded by his school teachers. He had every reason for giving up on himself and his dreams. But when a high school teacher told him someone else's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. Brown realized in this moment his failure lay in his own hands. He went on to become a state legislator and author and earns today $3,000 per hour as one of the America's top motivational speakers. What Brown understood was that there are certain things in life you cannot control, such as nature, the past, and other. But there are things you can absolutely control, such as your thoughts, your actions. Taking 100% responsibility for your life is one of the most empowering things one can do for oneself. Okay, so next is live your life on purpose. Perhaps what separates these motivational superstars from others more than anything else is that they live their lives on purpose. That is, they are doing what they believe they were put here to do. Dyer has purpose. Professional public speakers will tell you that the time they feel most alive is when they are on stage. Connecting with an audience, says Wayne Dyer. Having a sense of purpose in your life is the most important element of becoming a fully functional person. The difference between living your life on purpose and not living it on purpose is like night and day. The latter consists of simply getting through the week with the least amount of problems while expending just enough effort to get by. Do the job now. But when you live your life on purpose, your main concern is doing the job right. You love what you do, and it shows. Your conviction is as evident as persuasive, and you will find that people want to do business with you because they sense your commitment to giving your all. Mike's very strong purpose. Okay, how stay focused. Every day we are bombarded with hundreds of tasks, messages, and people all competing for our time. This is why the ability to focus on your goal is so critical to achieving it. Focusing requires giving up some things in the present because you know the time invested will pay off big time down the road. Chicken soup effort. When Jack Canfield and Mark Victor Hansen compiled their first chicken soup for a soul book, they were turned down by 30 publishers, but instead of giving up, they still focused on their goal. We read the 3 to 4 radio or newspaper, magazine reviews, interviews a day, 5 days a week, for a whole year. Canfield recalls, in every interview they talked about why the country needed this book now more than ever. Eventually, a small publisher called Health Communications IC decided to advance and publish the book. It not only became a number one bestseller but also hatched an entire series of chicken soup books that have sold more than 10 million copies. That's the power staying focused on your goal can give you. Focus on dreams. Spend as much of your day as you can focusing on achieving your goals and dreams. Every day ask yourself, is what I am doing right now bringing me closer to my goal? If it's not, do something that will. Focusing is like any habit. The more you do it, the easier it gets. 5. Becoming an expert in your field. One striking factor about all motivational speakers I interviewed is how seriously they take their profession. Their drive to be at the best at what they do is phenomenal. They will do almost anything if they think it will help improve their speaking skills. Fripp took classes. For example, Partika Fripp, who speaks to Fortune 500 executives on how to become more successful, took a comedy workshop and hired a private speech coach because she wanted to improve her speaking ability. Fripp did this after she had already been named one of the most one of the 10 most electrifying speakers in North America by Meetings and Conventions magazine. To Fripp, being one of the most simply wasn't good enough. She wanted to be the best she could. Okay, she wanted to be the best version of herself. That is why. What do you do? If someone followed you around at your business all day with a video camera to make how to tape for people who want to do what you do, would it be a tape you would be proud of or embarrassed about? If the latter, make the decision today to work toward being the best in your field. How? By studying the experts. The quickest way to become more successful is to find out what the best are doing, then do what they do. Write out a plan for achieving your goals. Taking the time to write out an action plan or map for how you are going to achieve your goal is one of the best ways to get there faster. Brian Tracy set goals. Brian Tracy, one of America's most successful business sales trainers and speakers, points out goals that are not in writing are not goals at all. They are merely wishes or fantasies. Need a map. Most people try to reach their goals without taking the time to write out an action plan. This is like trying to drive from Los Angeles to Denver without a map. Forget the fact that your odds of reaching your destinations are extremely slim. The frustration and wasted time, energy and money will probably cause you give up long before you get to the Rockies with the map in hand. However, you will not be able to enjoy the trip much more, but you are also virtually assured of arriving at your destination in the shortest time possible. Never give up. It may sound simple, even obvious, but when you are truly committed to achieving your goal, giving up isn't even an option. You must be willing to do whatever it takes to make it happen. Dyer never gave up. In the mid-1970s, Wayne Dyer quit his job as a professor at Wayne State University to promote his new book. Your Aaronus Jones, however, no major talk show would book the then known unknown Dyer. Did he give up? Not on your life. He loaded his car from floor to roof with hundreds of copies of his book and then spent a year on the road traveling from small town to small town and appearing on any radio or TV talk show that would have him. Once on the air, Dyer would give out the number of the local bookstore and say that his book was available there. After the interview, he would quickly drive over to that bookstore where the manager would say, "Oh, you are Wayne Dyer. We have been getting lots of calls for your book." Dyer would reply, "Well, I have a case in the car. Would you like some?" "Oh, yes." "And would you sign some while you are here?" By the end of the year, the Tonight Show was calling him, and the end of 1970s, your Erogenous Jones had become the #1 best-selling non-fiction book of the entire decade. This is what the power of perseverance can do for you. Don't delay. Number 8, don't delay. In this book, Live Your Dreams, Les Brown recalls talking on phone one day with a friend with the name Marian. The very next day, Marian's husband called to tell Brown she had died. A few days later, Les was helping the husband clean out Marian's office when he came across some notes for a play she had been working on. Unfortunately, the play would never be published. Marian was the only one who knew how it was supposed to end, and now she was gone. The lesson here is that Marian did not know how much time she had left to accomplish her dreams, and neither do you or I. We must remember that we have forever. The clock is ticking. There are no time outs, or sooner or later your number is going to be called. Top achievers know this. But rather than seeing it as something negative or depressing, they use it to spur them on to go after what they want as energetically and passionately as possible. Follow the 8 secrets from motivational experts and take 100% responsibility for your life. Live your life on purpose. Be willing to pay the price for your dreams. Stay focused. Become an expert in your field. Write out a plan for achieving your goals. Never give up and don't delay. These ideas were within the School for Champions philosophy. Superior relations. No one is independent in life. We depend on others right from our birth till our death. Every person, no matter how big or small he is, stepping stone to our success. Remember, a single flower does not make a garland. Untiring efforts. It is a universal law that we cannot get something for nothing. Efforts is the price one has to pay to succeed in life. Okay, these are the things. Okay, please write it down, all of you. All of you, please write down these points. Okay, follow the 8 secrets from motivational experts and take 100% responsibility for your life. Live your life on purpose. Be willing to pay the price for your dreams. Stay focused. Become an expert in your field. Write out a plan for achieving your goals. Never give up. Don't delay. These ideas follow well when the School for Champions philosophy. So you write all the things. Super relations and life. Again, I am repeating, no one is independent in life. Depends on others right from the birth till our death. Every person, no matter how big or small, he is a stepping stone to our success. Remember, a single flower does not make a garland. Written, all of you. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so the next one is untiring efforts. Untiring efforts. Untiring efforts. It is a universal law that we cannot get something, no nothing. It is a universal law that we cannot get something, no nothing. Is it visible to you, all of you, now the screen?
It's blank.
Yes, ma'am.
It's visible.
It's visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Visible, ma'am.
Sorry?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Can you please write it down? Untiring efforts, creative thinking, confident attitude, effective communication, self-motivation. Can you write these points? Write no? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Able
ma'am.
to see now?
Yes, ma'am.
It thinks all of us gifted with a lot of creative potential, but it lies deep.
Ma'am, it's blank.
Went blank.
Yes, ma'am.
The screen went blank.
Check now.
No, ma'am.
Okay, till which part you have done? Is what you have written?
Untiring efforts.
Yeah.
Sleep.
Creativity
It's
starts.
our health and happiness.
Okay, remember success is 1% inspiration. Remember success is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. And 99% perspiration. Number second is creative thinking. What is the one? Creative thinking. So you write, all of us are gifted with a lot of creative potential. All of us are gifted with a lot of creative potential, but it lies deep. Just as the sculptor has to chip away some stone with his chisel. Okay, right? Creative thinking, all of us are gifted with a lot of creative potential, but it lies deep. but it lies deep. Just as the sculptor has to chip away some stone with his chisel, just as the sculptor has to chip away some stone with his chisel,
Ma'am, sculpture has to.
chip, C-H-I-P, chip, C-H-I-P, chip, away some stone with his chisel. Chisel is C-H-I-S-E-L, chisel. Chisel, to release the statue of hidden. Just as the sculptor has to chip away some stone with his chisel. Just as the sculptor has to chip away some stone with his chisel to release the statue hidden in a block of stone. To release the statue hidden in the block of stone. To release the statue hidden in a block of stone. Done. Done?
Yes.
We have to chip away some of our conventional thinking. We have to chip away some of our conventional thinking. We have to chip away some of our conventional thinking. We have to chip away some of our conventional thinking. Remember, if you continue to do what you have been doing, remember, if you continue to do what you have been doing, you will continue to get only that you have been getting. Done? Done? All of you there?
Can you repeat the last part?
Is it visible to you, the screen now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, I want you all to write this. Okay, since now it is almost 4 minutes left to end the session, what I'll do, I am sending this screenshot to one of you, to Celsia. Celsia, can you forward this in the group, and everybody has to write it down, okay? This answer is very important. Celsia, can you please forward this in your group? I'll send it to you. Huh? Okay, Celsia, everyone please write this answer. It's a very small one.
Ma'am, can you just repeat the last line you said?
Last line is, you will continue to get only that you have been getting. You will only continue to get only that you have been getting. Okay, Celsia, can you forward it now only?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't get the image.
Wait, you'll get it soon.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not in the group.
Okay, so how will I send you then?
Saiti, do you have Rubia ma'am's number?
Yeah, yes, Divya.
Yeah, just text her to add you in the group. She'll add you.
Yeah, fine. Actually, I got a text from her, Rubia ma'am, but she didn't.
Okay, just text her again. Maybe she forgot.
Yeah, fine, Divya.
Ma'am, I didn't get the.
Yeah, you'll get it. Wait, because of the call, I think you're not getting it. Okay, people, once the session is over, Selja, please forward those screenshots to your mates. Alright, I'll write it down. Might be from tomorrow onwards, I'll be on leave from third. Okay, I'll be not conduct class till 10. So all the best, people, and great job done all by all of you. Send you the feedback in the email, or who has to, on your respective ID, or who has to improve on what on this we have everything. Today I'll send it to you. Have a good day, all of you, and please care of yourself, and please spread practice whatever has been taught to you. These 10 days will not be available. So after 10 days, I want to see all of you well prepared and well practiced on what has been taught to you. All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
goodbye everyone.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, bye bye.
Have a nice day.